It is the unexpected that always happens. Well, when does life ever go as expected? Never. You never know what will come next on this ongoing journey. There might be ups or downs, fast or slow, bright or dark. We cannot shuffle, but we can embrace and experience it to its fullest. So, what to do when life doesn't go as planned? Just take one step after another. It's okay. Even though we don't know what awaits ahead, don't stop seeding a little romance in our life. Who knows if they will grow into flowers some days. If they do, I will bring you one when sun shines again and say, "It's been a while. Long time no see."